Have you been waiting to hear more about the Galaxy S25? With the Unpacked event just around the corner on January 22nd, Samsung is about to reveal the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series in San Jose, California. While we're still days away from the official launch, plenty of information has already leaked, giving us a glimpse into what's coming. As is often the case with major tech launches, leaks and rumors flood the internet in the days leading up to the announcement. And today, a series of images have surfaced, revealing some of the official accessories that will be available alongside the Galaxy S25. So if you're thinking about picking up the Galaxy S25 as soon as it drops, or just curious about what Samsung has in store for its new devices, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the leaked accessories that we can expect to see for the Galaxy S25. One of the standout features that has caught our attention is the variety of cases that will be available. Samsung has always been known for offering a wide range of case options for its smartphones, and it's no different for the Galaxy S25 series. The leaked images show multiple colors and designs so you can personalize your Galaxy S25 while also keeping it safe. For those who want a simple, sleek design, Samsung will offer silicone cases in various colors. These cases are soft to the touch and lightweight, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their device protected without adding too much bulk. The colors of these cases will match the new hues of the Galaxy S25 lineup, ensuring that your case complements your device perfectly. Whether you opt for a subtle shade or something more vibrant, there will be a color option to suit your style. In addition to silicone cases, Samsung is also offering texture cases for the Galaxy S25. These cases add a unique look and feel to the device, making them stand out from the standard silicone options. Some of these texture cases come with a built-in stand at the back, providing users with added functionality. A stand feature is a convenient addition for those who like to watch videos or browse the web hands-free, as it allows you to prop up your phone at an ideal angle. But the accessories for the Galaxy S25 don't stop there. If you prefer a more premium look and feel, Samsung will also offer leather covers for the new devices. These leather cases will come in a variety of colors, including black, white, brown, and gray, giving you plenty of options to choose from. The leather cases offer a classy, sophisticated look while also providing durable protection for your device. So if you want to give your Galaxy S25 a luxurious touch, a leather case might be the perfect choice for you. And for those who are looking for something a little more fun and unique, Samsung has also created a few funky cases for the Galaxy S25. These cases, while still providing protection, are designed to add a bit of personality to your device. Whether you're into bold patterns, bright colors, or something completely unconventional, these funky cases will help make your Galaxy S25 truly stand out from the crowd. Alongside the cases, Samsung will also offer an anti-reflective film for the Galaxy S25. This accessory helps reduce glare and improve the display experience, especially since the Galaxy S25 is expected to have one of the best screens on the market. If you've ever had trouble with screen reflections, especially outdoors, this anti-reflective film will fix that. It reduces glare, ensuring a clear viewing experience whether you're watching videos, browsing, or gaming, even in bright conditions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Selling old smartphones often feels like a chore, but Samsung is making it easier for users in South Korea with their new Galaxy Easy Compensation Program. This innovative initiative allows people to sell their old Galaxy phones directly through Samsung's website without the usual requirement to purchase a new device. It's a fresh approach aimed at simplifying the process and providing a hassle-free experience for Galaxy users. The Galaxy Easy Compensation Program is set to launch on January 14, 2025, and it brings a unique twist to the typical trade-in process. Traditionally, when selling an old phone through a manufacturer or retailer, there's an expectation that you'll buy a new one. Samsung's program removes that expectation, offering users the flexibility to sell their phones without any obligation to make a new purchase. This straightforward process is designed to cater to those who want to declutter and earn money from their old devices without committing to a new phone. The process is simple. Users who wish to sell their old Galaxy phones can visit Samsung's website to check the estimated value of their device. Once they decide to proceed, they can send their phone to Samsung via courier. Upon receiving the phone, Samsung will evaluate its condition and categorize it into one of three grades: excellent, good, or recycle. Based on this grading, users will receive compensation that corresponds to the condition of their phone. This transparent grading system ensures that sellers get a fair deal for their old devices. The program covers a wide range of Galaxy models, including the Galaxy S20 series, Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy S22 series, and the latest Galaxy S23 series. It also includes the foldable phones such as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, and Z Fold 5. By including these popular models, Samsung ensures that a large portion of its user base can take advantage of the program. Whether you have a standard smartphone or one of Samsung's innovative foldable devices, there's a good chance you'll be eligible to participate. While the program is currently limited to smartphones, Samsung has hinted at the possibility of expanding it to include other devices in the future. This expansion could cover Galaxy Tab devices, smartwatches, and laptops, providing even more options for users looking to recycle their old tech. This broader inclusion would not only benefit users by offering a convenient way to sell various gadgets, but also contribute significantly to reducing electronic waste. Samsung's initiative is not just about convenience. It's also a step towards promoting sustainability and the circular economy. By encouraging users to recycle their old devices, Samsung aims to extend the life cycle of its products and reduce the environmental impact of electronic waste. John Ho-jin, Vice President of Samsung Electronics Korea, emphasized the company's commitment to these goals, expressing confidence that the program will enhance the long-term value of Galaxy products and support environmental sustainability. Looking ahead, Samsung plans to expand the Galaxy Easy Compensation Program to other countries. While the company has not disclosed which countries will be included, this global expansion promises to bring the benefits of this program to a wider audience. For Samsung users around the world, this means more opportunities to sell their old devices conveniently and securely. Samsung's Galaxy Easy Compensation Program offers a fresh, user-friendly approach to selling old smartphones. It provides a simple, transparent process that allows users to sell their devices without the need to purchase a new one. With a focus on sustainability and customer convenience, this initiative not only benefits Galaxy users in South Korea, but also holds the promise of making a positive impact on the environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one. Samsung is once again set to revolutionize the mid-range smartphone market with the introduction of the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. These upcoming devices promise not just a refresh in design and internal components, but also a significant upgrade in charging technology, something that has been eagerly anticipated by users around the globe. The Galaxy A36 and A56 are poised to offer 45-watt fast charging, a feature that will undoubtedly enhance user experience by drastically reducing charging times. Certified by TÜV Rheinland, both phones will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, culminating in the impressive 45-watt charging capability. This enhancement means users will spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time enjoying their devices. This is not Samsung's first foray into equipping mid-range smartphones with such fast charging speeds. Previous models in the Galaxy C, F, and M series have featured 45-watt charging, but were largely restricted to select markets in Asia and Latin America. The global release of the Galaxy A36 and A56, however, marks a significant step in making this high-speed charging technology accessible to a wider audience, potentially changing the way users interact with mid-range smartphones. In terms of design, the Galaxy A36 and A56 share a similar aesthetic, characterized by a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design, located on the right side, adds a distinctive touch, while the vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear provides a sleek and modern look. While the Galaxy A36 has slightly thicker bezels compared to the A56, both models maintain a sleek profile that feels premium in hand. Out of the box, these phones will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, providing a smooth and user-friendly interface. Samsung has built a solid reputation for supporting its devices with timely updates, and the Galaxy A36 and A56 are no exceptions. Users can expect up to 6 major Android OS updates, ensuring that their phones remain up to date with the latest features and security enhancements for years to come. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A36 is equipped with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This combination promises a fluid user experience capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. The Galaxy A56, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor. Both chips feature octa-core CPUs with 4 high-performance cores, but the Exynos 1580 offers superior performance in both processing power and graphics capabilities, making it an excellent choice for more demanding applications and gaming. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera designed to capture detailed and vibrant images. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures that selfies are sharp and well-lit, perfect for social media